Hello, my name is Eric Waters. This is my final project submission for my game design studio class. The reason I chose a card-based game was because it offered a great balance between strategy and chance. It's easy to set up and portable, making the game accessible and convenient to players. The tactile experience of holding the cards and the suspense of drawing from a deck adds to the game's engagement level. And as far as the storyline goes, the nutrition battle storyline was inspired by the everyday challenge of maintaining a balanced diet. I wanted to create a game that was not only entertains but educates players about the importance of caloric intake and nutritional balance. So the game aims to make learning about nutrition fun and interactive. Changes that I made as a result of the play test feedback. So after the initial play tests, I received feedback that the game was a bit complicated due to the variety of action cards. So to simplify, I reduced the number of action card types and clarified their functions. I also added a trade phase to encourage more player interaction, and it adds a strategic depth. The changes made the game more accessible without sacrificing the educational value. So as far as the explanation of gameplay, the game consists of 4 main phases. There's a draw phase, an action phase, trade phase, and an end phase. The draw phase, basically the player draws 1 card from either the caloric ingredient or the action deck. The action phase, the players can either add a caloric ingredient card to their meal or use action cards to modify their meal or interfere with opponents. Trade phase, this is optional, but players can trade, and they can trade caloric ingredient cards or action cards with each other. And the end phase, the players choose to end their turn. So the rules basically includes a maximum of 5 ingredient cards in a player's meal and the one-time use of an action card. Like I said, trading is optional, but it can only be done during the trade phase. So basically, at the beginning, you'll draw a nutrition goal card, and that has the goals that you have to get closest to score the points to win. As far as the game art, it consists of 3 type of cards: the caloric ingredient card, which is just shortened for ingredients, an action card, which is this one, and the nutritional goal cards. So the caloric ingredient card or the ingredient card, these basically feature various food items along with their caloric value in the form of points. I figured it would be easier to just do points on a scale of 1 to 10. The art and the cards are vibrant and realistic, make the foods look easily recognizable, which I can go through those and you can see, like this one's the beef calorie points is 7, pasta for bread is 8, it's another bread, apples, pineapples, oats, bananas, fish. As far as the action cards go, they have a bold, dynamic design to simplify the game's changing abilities, and they include different things like skip a meal, so remove 4 points from your meal. Fasting, basically skip this turn and remove your meal. Add a condiment, so you're going to add 2 points to your meal. Burn calories, you're going to remove 10. Double up on calories from 1 ingredient card. An exercise boost, so you'll remove 28 calories or points swap an ingredient card, and so on. And as far as the nutritional goal cards, these cards set the objective for each round, and they feature a balance plate graphic, which emphasizes the nutritional aspect. So basically, this is a dinner card, which is 17, a mini meal 4, a balanced meal is 20, again dinner 17, indulgence is 28, snack is a 7, lunch is 14, and again another snack. So as far as the rule book goes, this is what I have for the rule book. Just a quick overview of basically what I was saying. It also talks about the setup, the rules, the scoring, winning, and at the very back is the scorecard. So for this game, you have to play 5 rounds, and then whoever's final score is the best will win the game. So again, this is just a quick presentation of my card game that I designed in my game studio design class. Thank you and have a good day.